Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be informing you step-by-step guide in knowing man's stages of growth. First, the morning stage. This focuses on man's learning capacity and the acquisition of knowledge over the years of growing. This is from age range of 0 to 25 years. At this stage, he is expected to learn as much as he can, whether he found himself in school, marketplace, church, office, in any societal organization. He acquire knowledge to build capacity for future use. The second is the afternoon stage. This is the prime stage of a man, which all the things he has been learning all through the morning stage is being applied in this stage. The afternoon stage is at the age range of 25 to 65 years. At this level, expectation is either recognized by the man or the society. There is more productive activities to engage in to earn and meet up with the rising daily financial needs. A man must be well informed, skilled, and be ready to handle stress and pressure of working conditions. He must bear fruit for his time spent. This means that for a man to obtain this level, he must not trivialize his morning stage, which is the bedrock of his journey, but insist on continuous growth even after entering the afternoon stage of his life. Most men within this stage are already married and have responsibilities to attend to. When he finally excel in this stage, he will have enough experience to guide his children or the younger youth who are not yet in that stage. Finally, the night stage of a man, the age range of 65 years and above. At this stage, it is expected to be resting rather than working because you have passed your youthful stage of impact. In this stage, you must have gained enough experience about life, and you give out advices to the younger generation. Those found working in this stage trivialize their morning and afternoon stage where they should have learn and earn. All these stages are attached to the word man, which the M stand for morning A, afternoon N, night. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.